Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are doing trigonometric identity. Exercise 5 and trigonometric identities exercise 5 from R.S. Agarwal. Of CBSE 10th standard. Okay, this video is also helpful for class, not only CBSE board student, West Bengal board student also. Okay, so CBSE board student. Okay, so this is exercise 5. So today we will start from question number 5. What is given in question number 5? As you can see that question number 5, if cosec theta is equal to root 10, find the value of trigonometric ratio of theta. So here cosec theta is equal to root 10. Okay, so since cosec theta is equal to root 10, so sin theta is equal to 1 by root 10. So obviously we know cos square theta minus cot square theta, that's equals to 1. Now cos square theta, that is equal to root 10 whole square minus cot square theta, that's equals to 1, that is equal to 10 minus cot square theta, that's equals to 1. So cot square theta equal to 10 minus 1, 9. So cot theta is equal to root over of 9, that's equals to plus 3. Since again I am telling you the theta lies between 90 and 0. Okay, so this is cot theta, not cos theta. So that's it. Next move to another question. Sin theta is equal to given, so cos theta is equal to root over of 1 minus sin square theta, that's equals to 1 minus 1 by 10 whole square, 1 by root 10, or that's equals to 1 minus 1 by 10, that's equals to 10 minus 1, that is root under 9 by 10, that is 3 by root 10. This is cos theta. Next, tan theta we have to find. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, that's equal to 1 by 3. Okay, next we have to find sec theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta, that's equals to 1 by 3 by root 10. Okay, oh, root 10 by 3. Next move to another question. Now here the question is given, question number 6. As you can see, question number 6, if cot theta is equal to 15 by 8, evaluate this. So cot theta is equal to 15 by 8, so we have to evaluate the value of 2 plus 2 sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus sin theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta. So first we have to divide this by dividing numerator and denominator, where numerator denominator by sin theta, we get Now here in this question, first we have not have to divide. First we taking common from here. 2 taking common, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 2 taking common over here. These two cancelize. So this is 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. So that's implying this is cos square theta by sin square theta. That's equals to cot theta whole square. Now the value of cot theta is equal to 15 by 8. So we can write it that 15 by 8 whole square. That's equals to 225 by 64. That will be the answer. Next, move to another question. The question is given here, question number 7. Now in this question it is given tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then we have to find the value of sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 7 by 5. We have to show that sin theta plus cos theta equal to 7 by 5. Now tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. Here it is given tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So obviously sin theta by cos theta is equal to 4 by 3. Sin theta by 4, that's equal to cos theta by 3. Okay, now there should be a rule that we can apply here, squaring and adding both, then we can get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this can be written as 4 square plus 3 square. So sin theta by 4, that's equals to 1 by 16 plus 9, that is 25. So sin theta is equal to 4 by 25. Again cos theta is equal to 3 by 25. Okay, so sin theta and cos theta we are getting. Now we have to calculate the values. Sorry, in this case we have to take the square root. So sin square theta plus cos square, that is root over of this and root over of this. So that this equals to 5 and this equals to, again we are taking 5. So sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 here. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 and cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now sin theta plus cos theta, that's equals to 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that's equals to 7 by 5. So that's shown or proved. Okay, next move to another question. Now next move to question number 8. Question number 8, it is given tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Now here question number 8, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. We have to show that cos square theta minus sec square theta by cos square theta plus sec square theta, that's equals to 3 by 4. That's we have to show. Now tan theta is given, so tan theta, that's equals to 1 by root 7. That means sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 7. That means cos theta by sin theta is equal to root 7. So this can be written as cosec theta by sec theta. Okay, this can be written as cosec theta by sec theta. Tan theta means cosec theta by sec theta. Okay, so that's equals to root 7. Now cosec theta by root 7, that's equals to sec theta by 1, that's equals to here if we do the square and adding, that's not applying here. So we are taking k over here, k say. Okay, we are taking k. So here cosec theta root 7k and sec theta is equal to k. Now cosec square theta minus sec square theta by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Now cosec square theta, that means 7k square, sec square theta means only k square. This is 7k square plus k square. K square taking common, this is 7 minus 1, this is 7 plus 1. So that's equal to 6 by 8, that's equals to 3 by 4 answer. Okay, 3 by 4, that's we have to prove. Hope you will able to understood it. Okay, the previous maths, if we are able to solve, if we are want to solve it, then that math is also able to solve by this process. Next, move to another question. The question is given here, question number 9, that cosec theta is equal to 2, then show that cot theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, that's equal to 2. If cosec theta is equal to 2, then cot theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, that's we have to show that this is also 2. So how can we able to solve it? Now cosec theta is equal to 2, so that means sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 and cos theta, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos theta is equal to root over of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, that means 1 minus 1 by 4, that means root 3 by 4. This is equal to cos theta. So cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta means 1 by 2, sin theta means, sorry, this is root 3 by 2. Cos theta means root 3 by 2. If we cancelize it, this is 1 by root 3. So cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3, obviously. So now putting the value over on the cot theta and cos theta over here, sin theta, then LHS, our LHS would be cot theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now cot theta, value of cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3 plus sin theta, value of sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, 1 plus cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, next we have to solve it. So this is 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3. Sorry viewers, calculation mistake. This is cos theta, that means only root 3. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So this should be, by calculating, this is only root 3. So here we should put only root 3. So that means cot theta means 1 by root 3 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 by 1 plus cos theta, value of this is cos theta, value of cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, and this is only root 3. Okay, so now this is root 3 plus this can be written 1 by 2 plus root 3. So this equals to root 3 means two plus root 3, this is root 3 into 2 plus root 3 plus 1, this is 2 plus root 3, this is 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 means 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Okay, 2 plus root 3 taking common, this is 2 plus root 3. So that's equals to only 2. That will be the answer. Ignore this error. Okay, this should be the right calculation. And here the cot theta is equal to root 3 means cos theta by sin 3. We put the value we are getting. Next, move to another question. Next, question number 10. Sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. Then we have to verify tan theta. I am not going to write it. We have to verify tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta or by sec theta or not. Okay, this question. So sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. So obviously tan theta, now that is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec theta is equal to tan theta is equal to root over sec square theta minus 1. We know that. So that's equals to sec square theta 5 by 4 square minus 1, that's equals to 25 by 16 minus 1. So if we calculate it, we are getting 3 by 4. Okay, tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So my LHS is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan theta means 3 by 4 and 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 5 by 4 whole square, and that's equals to 3 by 4 into 16 by 25. That means 12 by 25. Okay, and this is my LHS. Next come to RHS. Now what is given in RHS? Sin theta RHS, sin theta by sec theta. Okay, now sin theta is given, sec theta is given. So sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. So obviously cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. So sin theta is equal to root over of 1 minus cos square theta, root over of 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, that's equals to 3 by 5. If you do the calculation, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 divided by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. That means 12 by 25. So my that's equals to LHS. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS verified. Next, move to another question. The question is given here, question number 11 of trigonometric identities. I am following R.S. Agarwal. So this is here question number 11. If cos theta is equal to 0.6, so that this equal to 0. Hope you are able to do it yourself. Now here tan theta is given. This is also an easy question. These two are easy questions, so I am just omitting that. Okay. If tan theta is equal to a by b, so that this equal to this. So question number 13, we are going to start. Question number 13. Number 13. Tan theta is equal to a by b. Then we have to show that a sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta, that's equals to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Okay. For that, first we are taking LHS. A sin theta minus b cos theta by a sin theta plus b cos theta. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, we get, okay. So if we divide, so this would be get a tan theta plus minus b, a tan theta minus b by a tan theta plus b. This is minus sign, viewers, okay. So a tan theta means a into tan theta. Tan theta is equal to a by b minus b, that's equals to a into a by b plus b, that's equals to a square minus b square by b by a square plus b square by b. If we do the calculation, b cancel out, we are getting this is a square minus b square by a square plus b square, okay. That's equals to the RHS. This is equals to RHS, okay. Next move to another question. Question number 15. Question number 14 is quite easy, quite similar to question number 13. So you should do it yourself. In cot theta, here tan theta is given, there cot theta is given. So the sec theta is equal to 17 by 8. If so, then we have to verify that LHS is equal to 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 4 cos square theta minus 6. This is LHS, and RHS is given 3 minus tan square theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So we have to verify these two. Now sec theta is given 17 by 8. So obviously cos theta is equal to 8 by 17 and sin theta is equal to root over of 1 minus 64 by 17. That means 15 by 17. If you do the calculation, you will get this. So now put this value over LHS. 3 minus 4 sin square theta. 4 into sin square theta means 15 by 17 whole square by 4 into 8 by 17 whole square minus 3. Okay. Three minus 4 into this is 225 by 289. Now 4 into 64 by 289 minus 3. Again, if we do the calculations over here, this is 64 by 17 square means 289. Square means 289. So this is 15 by 17. That's equals to minus 33 by minus 611. 1 minute viewers. Minus 611. This can be cancelled. So this equals to 33 by 611. Okay. Next come to the RHS. Here it is given that tan is given. Now here tan theta is equal to, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, that means 289 by 64 minus 1. Okay, that's equals to 225 by 64. Okay, so putting the value over here, we are getting 3 minus tan square theta 225 by 64 by 1 minus 3 into tan square theta 225 by 64. Next we are doing calculation. So this is 3 into 64 minus 225 by 64 minus 3 into 225. So this is also coming minus 33 by minus 611. If we do the calculation, 33 by 611. So LHS, as you can see, LHS equal to RHS verified. Okay, so that's it for this video. Next we will come and join for another video from question number 16 to rest of the maths. Okay, rest of the maths. Till then, keep watching and please do subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.